Let's meet Mr. Mike, owner of a reputed electronic parts manufacturing industry. To create unique, intricate shapes, he wanted to hire CNC turning services. So, he searched on Google for a reputed CNC machining factory, and found Createproto Rapid System Limited. Quickly, he called their experts, discussed his needs, and customized a service. They oversaw each stage of the project carefully to ensure transparency and ease of access. Plus, they also used computerized manufacturing to deliver impeccable results. Mr. Mike was delighted to receive such excellent service from them. So, like him, do you also need top-tier quality CNC machining services? Get in touch with Createproto Rapid System Limited today. To book a service, call +861 8025329092 or browse createproto.com.